In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your name in Splitwise. This is a quick but very useful change, especially if you've recently changed your name, you go by a nickname, or you just want your friends to recognize you more easily when you're splitting expenses. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Splitwise in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. It might be a small circle with your initials or a generic user icon. Click on that profile icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option labeled Your Account. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage your personal details. On the account settings page, look for your basic information, including your current name. Nearby, you'll see a button or link that says Edit. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will allow you to make changes to your profile information rather than just viewing it. Now that you're in edit mode, you'll see a field where your name is displayed. Click inside that name field, erase the existing name if needed, and type in the new name you want to use. Take a moment to check your spelling and capitalization. Remember that this is the name your friends and groups will see when you add or settle expenses, so choose something clear and recognizable. Once you're happy with the name you've entered, scroll down if necessary and look for the button that says Save. This step is very important. If you don't click Save, your changes won't be applied, and Splitwise will still show your old name. Click on Save, and the page will briefly update. After saving, you should see your new name displayed in your account settings. From now on, that updated name will appear in your groups, balances, and any new expenses you create. That's all you need to do to update your name in Splitwise. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat these